Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Steph. If you aren't new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. If you're not new, welcome back. We love seeing cool people here. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, turn on post notifications. I'm posting a whole bunch of videos. I'm going back to 2 times a week this month because I don't know, I wanted to. So today we are doing tree hunting. I have a whole bunch of videos. I think it's gonna be a video that should be out by now. I have another really exciting video coming out, which I wanna hopefully have up before this one. And then this video will go up. So stick around. We're going tree hunting. Let's go. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing tree hunting. So just some Nike socks, some Lululemon leggings. I'm wearing a red tank top because layers on the mountain is always good. Then I'm wearing this green sweater, which I thrifted. And then I'm gonna wear this Patagonia little like quarter zip that I also got from Plato's Closet. And then I'm just gonna wear my LL Bean boots because it's mountainy up there. And then I just have natural hair today. We're gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be so excited. And yeah, I guess I can say it because the other video is hopefully gonna be out before this. We are not bringing little Mocha with us because she's just too scared right now. She's rescue, so she's just not ready to be doing something like that, which is kind of sad. So my mom is not coming, but this is when we usually take our Christmas card. So we're gonna take pictures there. Hopefully take some with like a timer on my phone when we come back with everybody. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're only gonna get 1 tree this year. We usually get 2, but we're only gonna get 1. And yeah, I think that's it. So stay tuned for the excitement of the 3 of my brothers all together. Should be interesting. There you go.
The largest aerial battle in the history of mankind.
The largest aerial battle.
We don't fight. Shut up! We don't fight.
Don't come home. We can't be consumed by our
Show
petty
respect.
differences anymore.
No, that she comes disrespect. Oh,
We will be
Yeah,
united
imagine
in our
her
common
in the
interest.
car with these kids all screaming, dude. That's insane. She's just not ready for that yet.
Today is 4th of July. And you will once again be fighting for our freedom. Not from tyranny, oppression, or persecution.
From annihilation. What's from annihilation? What a great word.
One voice, we
Will not go quietly into the night!
I think it's a weird thing.
Bye, Mocha. We'll see you when we get back.
hell, I'm out of here.
Guys, we're gonna get a tree today. Right,
No,
Kev?
Steph. We're gonna get America today.
We're getting a tree today.
Free is as American as apple pie.
Yeah.
He's like
So
one of
weird.
those, what is it,
I can see your
those
nose.
stage.
It's a great look, Ty. On the mountain.
We're not gonna let you on the island like that, but yeah.
Happy raps. Yeah. I done caught a wave at a young age, getting paid doing dumb things. Making little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls
Are we
got
excited? Are we excited? Are we excited? No, see, because that mask just has that little Amazon thing, it looks like there's just something on your mask.
get a ring, make a child start film. Happy raps is going viral to the Grammys. I might need to drop an album for the Grammys, like yeah. She said she met me in college, I knew her, that's true.
Yeah.
Most American video comp.
I'm gonna be home soon, let's go get coffee for 2.
Yeah.
She like
sure
me
we can
soon
find
as she
something
met me. I knew as soon as I met her. I took my shot, feel like Reddit. Don't be with a king like a Reddit, it's true. She golden early, that's prophecy. I need a power, that's down for me. To make my good days my better days. I ordered peach green tea lemonade. I might just
Here.
It actually looks like you got a pretty good shape all the way around.
See, I would cut here. Just cut the rest of the top off. And this is your top right there.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's got a pretty good shape.
I mean, I don't know. Not really on this side.
We'd be cutting it like here.
No, because that's gonna be too short, Tyler.
Really a hole. If we cut it
Keep in
here.
mind, this year Mom wants to put it in that corner near that window where the bookshelf is.
Okay, so you're cutting it that far down.
Cutting it probably right around there.
I just really got cut that far. I was gonna say.
She said she
And it was only like one of 3 dozen trees we had out here.
Summer soon, let's go get coffee for 2.
It's your fault if it's fucked up.
Oh my god. Nice squat, Tyler.
You have to walk over the stump. Because then drag over that stump.
Guys. Yeah, tuck in, because that was gonna hold it. Guys, do some things.
Yeah, you don't get used
Do some things without falling off the rock.
Yeah, please. Wait, can you guys move this way on the rock so Andrew can sit also? One, two, three. Okay, now I want you to smile. No, wait.
He goes,
No. See, this is why I didn't want this to happen.
Here, lay on
yeah,
me.
you'll live.
You guys can take your
We can
picture
take
and
both
then I'll.
kinds.
I hate them.
We're like the Backstreet Boys. We're the new kids on the block.
Okay, now get your ass up and sit here, and you sit on the freaking rock.
I was grabbing Tyler's
You
food.
sit on the fucking rock.
I will.
Oh my god, it's rocking like
Bring your feet forward.
Is that? That's like,
hand?
it looks like the football stand, bro. Ready to kick it. You know,
I got you.
Yeah, sit up there.
Get up here.
That's not Andrew.
Kevin.
Andrew, get up there.
Let's do that now.
This
Move this way. So he has Alright, so move this way. So yeah, because that looks doesn't look weird.
Yeah, you look like you don't want to be with the rest of the family here.
Yeah, well, you caught me.
Sit
What?
up, sit up there, half a cheek like that, Andrew.
Half a
Yeah,
cheek,
half a
there you
cheek in it.
Oh, please.
Mom?
Listen, we're gonna do get help. I don't like get help.
Dad said an unhappy camper does not want to be in that photo.
Well, the girls are really excited about
She's not.
It's usually help.
it. I feel like it's the opposite, Kev.
You're right.
You guys would be better behaved than those 2 kids are.
We will be. We'll be
He said.
I can't promise something that's cute, though.
Oh, sorry.
Well, I don't think you can, Tyler. So.
He's slapping me. He told me before, like, no, he didn't. No, he didn't. He just went with the gloves. Look at the bitch. He totally did.
They're gonna kiss.
Are they siblings?
I think so.
What's up?
Yo!
You say that Gran Torino is like one of like the top like American fucking movies?
No.
What?
Yeah, you suck, bitch.
Why not? You didn't like Gran Torino?
Not
Okay.
liking it and calling it one of the top American movies is not the same.
Dang it,
Dad, you can
Flip it.
like my sibling at
don't go back.
at the
Go. stop.
Why?
I was smiling, but I didn't realize I can't see my smile. But fighting, going as fast as lightning. No one knows the rest of those words.
All right, whoa.
That's fine.
Hi there.
Hey, Belle.
Hey, pal.
Coach, I can't shoot, but I might hit the basket.
I'll make us look good.
Put me in, coach. Please. My butt's overheating on the bench.
For your information, Dad asked me to tie this on.
That was his mistake. That's because you didn't verbally ask, Tyler. It was your baby eyes. Your baby eyes just screamed, "Put me in, coach."
And we're good.
All right, French fries.
Okay, Steph, your job.
Oh God.
Make sure that doesn't
shit.
go anywhere.
Okay.
Happy holidays.
See you, Dad.
Happy holidays.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
thank you.
Good.
Oh, that's cute.
Thank you. Strong, right?
Yeah, they usually throw that in last, so they forget.
But yeah, I don't want her getting used to getting too close to the fence.
She's like, get away from me. Hello.